Hello friends, welcome again. In this video I am going to jailbreak my iPad 7th generation running on Apple's latest iOS 13.5. You can too jailbreak your iPhone or iPad running on iOS 13.5. So let's begin the jailbreak. So first we need a PC, and if you do not have PC, just borrow from your friends because we cannot jailbreak without a PC. Now download a software called Old Store. Just open any web browser like Chrome, Safari, and open the Old Store website. And there's a link in the description. Just tap on that link and open it up. Now download a software according to your operating system. Just tap on Mac OS if you have Mac, and for Windows, tap on Windows Beta. Now install this software in your operating system. After installing, you have to open this app and then tap on Allow, and then wait for a few seconds and then minimize this page, and then you have to tap on this old server which is running in the background, and then tap on install mail plugin. You have to tap on this, and then you have to tap on again on install plugin, then enter your Mac password and then tap on OK. Now you have to open your mail app. You have to open your mail app and then navigate to preferences in your mail app. Just tap on mail and then tap on preferences. Now in preferences you have to manage plugins. Just tap on it, and then you have to check this old plugin dot mail bundle. You have to right click and then apply and restart. Just minimize this mail app icon and connect your iDevice to your Mac or PC, and then navigate to install old server where it says sign in your Apple ID and password. Just enter your Apple ID and password. All you need to just ensure that your iDevice is still connected to your Mac or PC and old server is running in the background. So just make sure installation succeeded. Now have a look on my iPad and just swipe up the page. As you can see, old server has been successfully installed on this iPad. Now just navigate to settings and then tap on settings, and then you have to tap on journal and then device management. Here you have to trust this mail ID, because if you don't trust, old server app will not work. Now go back to your home screen. Now download an application. So just open Safari or Chrome on your iDevice and type Uncover, and there is a link in the description. Just click on it and open it up. So just tap on it. Now this is the official website of the Uncover. You can directly download this application in the Files app on your iPad or iPhone. Now you have to wait until downloading finish. You have to wait for a few moments. Yes, it is downloading. You have to wait until downloading finish. Now let me check whether it is downloaded or not. Yes, it has been successfully downloaded. So just go back to your home screen. Then you just go back to your home screen. Now open this Uncover app. So in this app, I want you guys to go to the setting tab at the bottom and then tap right where it says sign in. So just enter your Apple ID, and the Apple ID should be the same used to get Old Store installed via old server. Then navigate to My Apps and tap on the plus in the upper left hand corner, and then tap on Uncover app, and then wait for few moments. You have to wait and wait. Now you can see the Uncover app has been successfully installed on this iPad. Just tap on the Uncover app and open it up, and then tap on the jailbreak icon so that you can jailbreak your iPad or iPhone. And then you have to wait for a few moments. You have to wait for a few seconds. Now just cancel this icon and then wait and then tap on OK, and your iPad or iPhone is going to reboot soon. Yes, then you have to wait. Then you have to unlock your iDevice. Now you can see a Cydia icon is appear on the screen. So you have successfully jailbreak your iDevice. So thanks for watching this video.